We're pleased to announce version 2 of MPanel InSite. Let's take a brief tour of the exciting new features, and we'll cover them in more detail in separate videos. The first visual change is the program now uses a more efficient ribbon interface for all functions. By far the most notable change is the upgrade to a powerful new high-resolution user interface, providing high-quality design workspace as well as visualization reports. We have a new tab, which is called Layout. This allows us to add dimensions to plan and elevation sketches, which are shown on a new general layout report. There are several new tools and functions. First, the Move tool. This allows us to relocate the model in one quick movement. We have a Wall tool. By popular demand, we now have a wall which you can attach sails to. We can now add a center connection between two sails. Undo and redo buttons with multiple undos. A snap to grid allows snapping to both major and minor grid positions when building models. The new View Settings tool allows us to view the model in a perspective view. We can also change lighting conditions and set the model view to the preferred orientation you want to use in the visualization report which you send to your customer. Two key changes have been made to vastly speed up model building. First, Speed Poll. Now when you select to add a poll, we can continue adding until we right-click or escape to exit poll insertion. The next is we can select and make changes to multiple items at the same time. I'll select this, and then change the height and apply. Thank you for watching. For more examples and tutorials, please go to mpanel.com or search for MPanel on YouTube and subscribe to our video channel.